Let's talk about how to represent addition using strip diagrams and how you can use a strip diagram to help you plan how to solve a problem. So let's go ahead. We're just going to start with addition and then we'll talk about subtraction later. So with an addition strip diagram, let's read our word problem. The baker sold 43 cupcakes on Monday. He sold 35 cupcakes on Tuesday. How many cupcakes did he sell all together? So we're going to go ahead and fill out our strip diagram with our numbers, and we're going to label what the numbers represent. So we know that on Monday, the baker sold 43 cupcakes on Monday. He sold 35 cupcakes on Tuesday. And we are trying to figure out how many cupcakes did they sell all together. That is what this bar is here. That is our total. Okay, and the two numbers down below, those are representing our parts. So this is almost like part, whole, and that's what students usually recognize from second grade. We don't know the total, but we can go ahead and label total cupcakes. So by looking at this strip diagram, I know that the equation I need to solve is 43 plus 35, and that is going to give us the total number of cupcakes. So just to clarify, in addition strip diagram, we don't know our total, and we are adding our two parts down below to find the total. Next, let's talk about using strip diagrams to represent subtraction. So let's read our word problem. The pet shop had 68 fish for sale. If 44 fish were sold, how many fish were left? So whenever we're looking at a subtraction strip diagram, we actually are given the total, the top number. And we're subtracting from that total to find the other missing number. So the pet shop had 68 fish for sale. So 68 is our total. 68 total fish. And 44 of them were sold. 44 sold, and we don't know what is left. In order to solve that, the equation we would use is 68 minus 44, and that would show us how much is left. Lastly, I wanted to share with you what a comparing strip diagram would look like. It would look a little bit different than what we just saw in regards to an addition strip diagram and a subtraction strip diagram. When we compare two numbers, let's compare the numbers 65 and 32. Okay, if I want to do a comparing strip diagram, I'm going to use 65. That's going to act as my total. Okay, 32 is about half. If I want to compare like a how many more question, what I'm trying to find is this missing piece right here. So for example, I could say that Stonegate wants to collect 65 cans. That's their goal. So far they've collected 32 cans. How many more cans do they still need? This right here would answer that question. So 65 would be my total, 32 would be one of my parts, and the missing part would be our answer. So to solve this, we would do 65 minus 32 equals something.